Hey everybody, it's Illy Trading. We're going to do a quick little Wednesday recap. It's a short week. It's July 4th, so not too much is going on in the market. Nothing to happen too much. I'm doing it early in the day because I really don't expect too much to be happening. I probably won't do another recap until Saturday, until the markets close. Really looking for what we are looking for the moves and then later on in the beginning of next week. So we are ending the second quarter. We are going into the third quarter. So let's see how we are looking at a couple of things. So right here we have NASDAQ. We have a little consolidation going on here. No real big moves, but enough to make some money on them if you were able to catch them. Still have some support really drawn in at this line here at 29,259, as well as a good support at 28,542. I'm still looking for a nice little drop. And the only reason why I'm saying that is because we are looking at the market structure. Currently, our most recent high, and we are currently on the 4 hour, our most recent high of here of 30,610 did not reach 30,962. We are currently in an order block right here where this black where the green is. This right here for me on the 4 hour is the order block. We tapped in here and sold back down. We're currently in another order block that if we go to the 1 hour, you'll be able to see this order block here. So I want to see how we move around here. But if we look at this and we have a nice little trend line here, we are starting to break this. We came in, tapped in, and started to sell down. So we may try to come back in, tap in again, and then come down, or we might just try to break through and take this high. Not sure, but those are some areas, and we came right to those areas of interest. So I am quite proud of myself actually paying attention and getting these order blocks on place. Currently on the ES, I need to do better with my charting with ES. Still looking at market structure wise, we did not take out this previous low here, but we did not take out this previous high here. But because we're not making too many lower lows, mm, we could be trying to reach this upper high. Same thing on the NASDAQ, but I just see more sells on the NASDAQ because to me it's a little bit clearer. But it's the same structure. We didn't make any, this low did not take out this high. I mean, this low did not take out this low. So we still technically could be in an uptrend. So if this recent area right here decides to shoot up and take out the high, then obviously we're in buys. And then we would be targeting 32,283. But if we start to bleed down and take out lows and pull back and take out more lows, we're looking for some more sales. If you're not a swing trader, this doesn't, you can understand the bias of direction. And same thing with this buy. This low did not take out that low. And it does look like this swing low is trying to take out these highs here. We are above the trend lines, so we still could be bullish, but I'm not too sure how bullish we are. Are we completely bullish where we're going to be taking out this high of 76.50 or this high of 76.96 or 770. So I'm interested to see how we play. Again, short week, not too many big moves should be happening. We will be looking for next week to be kind of like what's going on. The next one is gold. Gold did a nice little run today, did a nice little pop. All right, but we are still technically underneath this major trend line here. Then we did this huge, nice green candle here, broke this resistance here. So you see this double, actually triple bottom. So we have 1, 2, 3. So this right here is most likely a big reversal sign for the upside. So I would be liking to get in on the reversal around the area of 4,040 and try to ride up past the next high of 4130, or even you can do 4165 with a long-term target of 4236. So this looks really good for a reversal sign, and I will highlight this area right here because we did have like that was definitely a W, right? Right? But then we also had another boom for rejection in this area. Beautiful green candle up, We have a pullback. I don't expect this to come back down to this area. I do expect it to come back to the 4,040 area and then have a nice bounce to support and then break this resistance here and then try to take out these highs, those levels that I spoke earlier. Next one is oil. Oil has been still selling. Um, we are getting to more support, recent support, and we do have another gap technically to fill if we are going to keep on selling. We recently finished filling up the gap that we had low, and then now if we are still going to sell down, there is another gap in the area of 59.57. So we could just be coming down completely, filling all the gaps down here because technically we still have business to do down here, fill this gap, and then hopefully we can start doing see a reversal sign for this as well and start aiming for this oil gap here at the $80 range. So for right now, oil still looks pretty bearish. I wouldn't be surprised if we do a little pop next week, but not take out any highs and continue to sell down to close the gap for oil. So looking pretty bearish on oil, looking bullish on gold, and the indices, they do technically look bullish, but I wouldn't be surprised for a sell down to kind of throw everybody off their rocker. So that's my quick futures recap. I'll do a little bit longer or detailed one for the beginning of next week. You guys have a great 4th of July week and take care. Bye.